IT surprises believers. The Enforcement Directorate is all out in Kerala. So is Customs and CBI too. They are digging deep in gold, life and Bangalore-based narcotic cases. But there are some major breakthroughs from the income tax people also. The IT department made a big break in Kerala on Thursday. The IT had unearthed massive misappropriation of foreign aid by Believers Church. Its new name is Believers Eastern Church. The church claims a membership of 35 lakh people with 14 dioceses spread in 10 countries. It has 30 bishops and the metropolitan bishop is KP Yohanan. There have been several allegations against Believers Church. The big one was about an airport. The Synod Council of the church planned an airport in Cheruvalli near Erumeli. The church bought thousands of acres of land for this purpose, spending many crores. There were rumors of possibilities of tourism promotion to Sabarimala. Rumors were strong that the Marxist move to allow entry of women into Sabarimala were aimed at promoting pilgrim tourism. However, the church authorities had refuted all these charges. Now things are turning tough and rough for the church authorities. The IT department held simultaneous raids in its offices and institutions in Kerala and Delhi on Thursday. The raids continued for hours together and continues on Friday. The IT officials recovered liquid cash of rupees 5 crores during the raid. This includes 3.45 crores from Delhi office and rupees 1.15 crores from various offices in Kerala and balance from a vehicle. But that is just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, a preliminary investigation by the IT department found massive financial irregularities. The institution gets aid from foreign countries. A rough estimate of such aid is put at rupees 6,000 crores. All this money is for charity work. But Believers Church did not believe in charity much. It had better businesses to do with the funds which they got for philanthropy. The church has 4 institutions that handle its charity operations, and the funds flow from abroad were to support the functioning of these institutions. If the findings were found true, this would be the highest financial scam related to foreign funding by any institution in India. A trust under Believers Church has been getting foreign aid since 2015. As per law, any agency getting foreign aid for charity is supposed to utilize the fund fully for charity initiatives and philanthropic projects. There are some checks and balances too for this. It is mandatory to file statements on funds mobilized and details of expenditure. This is part of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. The Believers Church had made huge investments in realty. It purchased massive land holdings and invested heavily in constructions. Only a small share of the charity-oriented funds were spent in that direction. The FERA speaks specific action on foreign contributions. The IT had found that Believers Church had grossly violated FERA. The IT has found huge tax evasion also. Not only legal action by the IT department, these gross violations will result in cancellation of FERA license of the church. This would mean the end of an era, the Yohanan regime. Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.